I got you, buddy. I want to smash you. You think I'm not good at this?
I think you're going to be great at it, but I think I'm a little better.
Try. Come on.
Long story short, my friend and I decided to do a bake-off.
So this is my way of getting back at Hiteshi because she's always been a topper in school, best at everything, number one. And this is the one thing I can do better than.
I want to really roll my eyes. ये क्या है?
What is this?
Oh, I know what this is. I think we're making peanut butter cookie.
For how long do you all know each other?
I don't know, man, do the math, class 4. But she was in school, I mean, she definitely was in school before class 4, but in class 4 we were in class together. Till class 10. There's this one geography exam.
Don't say I cheated.
She writes like this. Like the rest of us write like this. She writes like this.
Hiteshi learned to be inclusive. It's not strange. It's unique.
No, I'm checking. You already put the butter on.
But don't. What is the point, Hiteshi? This is
Guys,
like geography where you're copying what I'm doing. That's the worst thing you can do. You should never put your finger in this, okay? It looks delicious, but
On her bachelorette, she was obsessed with doing laundry for everyone. Because she doesn't get to do laundry like regularly, right?
I was doing laundry twice a day.
Twice a day. She'd like force us to give her clothes only so she can put it in the washing machine. And every day, twice a day, she was just doing laundry and finding it so exciting. Now she's found this new gadget.
Okay, so I don't think she knows, but I've hidden one ingredient of hers. All good?
Mine's crumbling.
Sorry, what? I think in the middle I kind of got thrown off a little bit because I think she was talking too much. It's art.
No,
There's no
cooking is an art. Baking is a science. You have to follow it to the grammar. Follow the process in baking.
No.
Exact
Yes, you
measurement.
have to follow the process, but you also have to go with your heart.
I think she didn't put that honey thing or whatever that thing was on the side. She didn't put that.
I'm feeling very bad.
That's the thing. I used all the ingredients.
I've also hidden some of her sugar, which is.
Wait.
And I think she's forgotten to put vanilla essence.
No, I think I put everything. My mold is stuck. Oh, my mold is breaking. Oh shit. Oh no.
Be careful, don't put the kapda in.
How are you going to take out yours, man?
Okay, wait 1 second. Don't.
Deepika, be careful now.
No!
No, don't lift it! Don't lift it! Oh my god.
Your cookies are a little burnt.
How's anyone going to put this in their mouth?
How are they going to eat this? Just wait, let it cool. Or at least it's. दुश्मन
ज़माना कम नहीं है अगर दुश्मन. Then, what are the lyrics?
Take the alap. I think the fact that we didn't burn our cookies, I think the fact that it's edible, talent is there, right?
Yeah.
We'll get better at that. But if we had to name it,
I think you should ask your fans.
okay, let us know what you
What
think.
do you guys think should be the name of our patisserie? Be creative and go nuts and give us some of your best
Hiteshi and
names.
Deepika's Iyengar Bakery.